Hi, this is Scott Varilek, Varilek Trading in Sioux Center, Iowa. We've got a cattle market that's trying to rally. It's been a grind higher over the last couple of weeks. A lot of sloppier trade. The ups and the downs happen every day, but trying to trend higher. And I think first thing we have to look at is what's happening with the war. What's the stock market doing? That's one of the first things we have to check. And it's been a little bit all over the board. I think early in the war, cattle prices were really following the stock market. Now it's maybe unhooked just a little. So we've rallied up some of these futures around the 235 price, and I think we're waiting cash. What's cash going to do? Well, it's kind of starting to develop on this Thursday morning. We've got a lot of 234 that's happened. Some of the bids are lower than that. I've heard of a one deal at 235, but it's going to be the 33 to 34, and meat bids 370 to 372. So we're calling this steady to just slightly weaker, across the board on the cash. Seeing some sales, not a lot. I think we have a show list that's grown a little bit week over week. We have a lot of big cattle. We're not that current. Packers have some leverage, so we really need to see that clean up. And you would hope grilling season that there would be some demand for some cattle. Packers would want them. And now we've got a choice box market that took a quick drop, and we have an inverted choice select spread right now, which the cattle that we have are long fed cattle, long day. We have ample supply of choice cattle, but it's just weird that it's actually underneath what the select price is. So keeping our eyes on the war. I mean, the outside markets, that's kind of your biggest thing. Cash, just okay. Pretty sloppy trade here this week. Questions, call us. Varilek Trading, Sioux Center, Iowa. The risk of loss in trading futures and or options is substantial.